24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano explicitly is floating at $319,572,273, which generally is very huge. ADA in every practical sense acquired roughly 0.87% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Cardano's EMA10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 7.7%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. 16 January 2024. In this video we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, really clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a genuinely wise interest in a genuinely huge manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they fundamentally thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the ADA specialized examination, really let us fundamentally discuss the especially current economic situations, most certainly further appearance how ADA basically acquired roughly 0.87% inside the very most recent 24 hours, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951 in an unpretentious manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $57,212,190,209, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which truly shows that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, which certainly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, which by and large is very huge. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, truly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at $96.95, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, further appearance how ADA explicitly acquired roughly 0.87% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending bearing for present moment, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which truly shows that market examination over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a really broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how market investigation over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole digital currency market to $1,701,864,434,951, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that as of now, and in every practical sense. General truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,701,864,434,951 in an unpretentious manner. Support is a level at which purchasers essentially become basically more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Sort of additional appearance. How furthermore, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.47% in esteem. Further appearance. How ADA sort of acquired roughly 0.87% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors truly become truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how moreover, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem. Truly further appearance. How ADA in every way that really matters acquired roughly 0.87% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution. ADA essentially has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 0.87% in sort of most recent 24 hours, showing how similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which vendors sort of become commonly dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how moreover, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.47% in esteem. Most certainly further appearance. How ADA really acquired roughly 0.87% inside the for the most part most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. The in every way that really matters, current worth of Cardano by and large is drifting at 54 cents. With the exchanging volume of $319,572,273 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, in a for the most part enormous manner. The by and large generally market cap for ADA explicitly is $19,123,693,141 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 7.7% over the course of the week in a very significant manner. Cardano Value Examination. ADA Cost Investigation for 16 January 2024, inside a truly day-to-day time period, especially made sense of beneath, showing how these occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a descending course for truly present moment, so which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%. Which sort of shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal combination and